Hello everybody, my name is Viktor Virk and I represent Smartcook, and I want to briefly show you how the kitchen of future is going to look like. So please just imagine the kitchen that knows you better than you know yourself, when the smart device is heart of this kitchen. Actually, we already built it. We have already built it, and we call it Smartcook. And Smartcook integrates 4 innovations in culinary world. And thanks to mimicry used in Smartcook, you can experience learning through imitation. You can experience real step-by-step, precise culinary instructions. And we are using video to transfer culinary knowledge. There is the most effective and the best way to transfer culinary knowledge using mimicry. And all of our dedicated video content is use our first-person perspective loop algorithm. And on Smartcook, you can find the best culinary content. Our video recipes are preparing in cooperation with all the best chefs all over the world, but you can also find your favorite YouTube channels or culinary blogs. And Smartcook can know your heart condition, your blood condition, condition of the air behind your window, and thanks to this data can prepare the dedicated diet, especially for you. And please imagine that now your diet is matching to your health condition, is matching to your lifestyle, and what is the most important is matching to your meeting calendar. But Smartcook is even more. Is your chopping board, your worktop, your scale. He can recognize your voice and your gestures. After all, he's the Smartcook. And this is the great team behind the Smartcook, which decides how the kitchen of future is look like.
From a distance, I look like an induction cooker. Well, maybe like a tablet. But I am something completely different. I am all you need to be a great cook. I will select one of the thousands of recipes I know, especially for you. Tell me what you have in the kitchen, and I'll tell you what you can cook. I will calculate the amount of ingredients if you are more than one. I will weigh all of the ingredients for you. I will precisely show you everything you need to do.
Sadly, time is up.
Thank you.
But I think we get the idea. That's very tricky. Startups always try to go over using the video. It's a nice try. But now, we have 2 minutes on the clock. What's going to be the real challenge, or what's the real opportunity here for going?
Well, can I ask a question now? Do you know what your kind of CAC to LTV ratio is? So your cost of acquiring a customer? What are you paying to get a customer, or how do you get them? And then how quickly do you make your money back?
Okay, I can hear you really bad.
Do you know the price to get a customer?
Yeah, we are working on the price with our advisory board, which are architectures and interior designers. Our first market is premium luxury and exclusive market, so we can't communicate the price right now because we are still working. It looks that the price should be higher than we thought before.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mike?
Why did you decide to integrate it to the kitchen table, not, for example, use the smartphone and everybody use it?
Yes, thank you. First of all, we have huge, very useful display, huge display. And when you cut the hole in your worktop, you don't lose this worktop, because Smartcook is integrated with your kitchen, with your worktop. You can use it like your chopping board. You have built-in scale and very comfortable, huge display, which let you work with your content in an effortless way. So,
Michael.
Can you briefly comment on your distribution strategy? So how do you want to acquire user and get them excited about the product?
yes. Our recipes are prepared in first-person perspective loop algorithm, which is step-by-step show you what you should do, and you have the right that your dish will be tasty, and there is no place to mistake if you use Smartcook.
Okay, that's the 2 minutes of the Q&A, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Smartcook, and let's hear for Seek.